Welcome to Accel. This tutorial will provide an overview of the Users and Clients tabs on the web application. Let's start by clicking the Admin tab and going to the Users tab. You will see users in your assigned site separated by rows. You can search for a user by typing user information into the search bar at the top of the page. User information is sorted by columns. You can choose to change the order of the display by clicking on the column header. For example, if you would like to see users by their first name, click First Name. You can also view users by order of their user ID, email, or phone number. By clicking on the Roles drop-down arrow, you're able to filter users by their role. If you click on the Sites drop-down arrow, you can filter users by their site. Click the Status drop-down arrow to filter users by active or inactive status. The Account Type drop-down arrow allows you to filter users by employee or client. You can also change the number of rows that are displayed per page and can move between pages here. To add a new user, click the New User icon. A pop-up screen will appear. Add the user's first and last name, username, and email address. Title and phone number are optional. You will also be required to choose a role and site for the user. Click the boxes to see the options. Add clients the user needs access to, and any pertinent notes. Hit Save when you're finished, or Cancel to go back without saving. When a new user is created, the system will automatically send the user an email, inviting them to set a password for their account. They will then be able to start collecting data for clients by downloading the mobile app and log in to the web portal based on the user's access levels. Now let's look at the Client tab. Similar to users, each client will appear here separated by rows. You can search for a client by typing client information into the search bar at the top of the page. Client information is sorted by columns. You can choose to change the order of the display by clicking on the column header, first and last name, client ID, email, or phone number. Similar to the Users tab, you can filter clients by site or status. To add a new client, click the New Client icon. Fill in the client's first and last name, select the site, and the users that will be connected to this client. You can also create a client as a user. This will allow clients to access the system to view program, data, and analysis pages on the web app. Client users won't be able to collect data on the mobile app. When you're finished, hit Save to create the client, or Cancel to go back without saving. To get back to the client's programming pages, click the Clinicals tab. And there you have it, a basic overview of the Admin tab on Accel. For more tutorials, click here.